So I'm going to regenerate this code. I'm simply going to add some assumptions here that assume that the index is within the bounds of the list and that the list is not null. So this should result in much simpler code. Here it just says if index is negative, increase that index by the length and then return the value at that index. So this corrects for negative indexing, and remember C does not allow for negative indexing, and this will take that corrected index and return the value at that index. Okay. What else was there? The append function. So this is appending or adding a value to the end of the list. I prefer append a value to the end of the list. So assume again that the list is not null, right? And here we get some very complex code. So let's read this code carefully. So we're given a list which we're assuming is not null and a value that we wish to append. Okay? The first thing we do is we check if the list's length is equal to its capacity. So for now, I want you to ignore this portion of the code. Let's pretend there was enough space in the list. What are we doing then? We are taking this particular index, list arrow length. That index represents the next free slot in the array. And at that index, we are storing value and we are increasing the length by 1. Notice that this particular append function has return type void, which indicates that it doesn't return anything. So all we do is we append a value and nothing else happens. So the new value will go at this location in the array and the length will increase by 1.